Hello guys, welcome back to Cook and Barbecue 24/7. Today I have a great recipe here behind me. I'm ready to share with you guys. So hey, let's get cooking. Hello family, welcome back to the channel. Today is a quick video of me cooking these 4 black sea bass fish in the air fryer. Just a simple recipe. We're going to hit all sides with some sprayed canola oil, some lemon pepper seasoning, and some Tony's spices and herb seasoning, and pop these in the air fryer. I think I did 325 for 20 minutes on one side, then flip them and turn it on to air fry to get that other side crispy. Very simple. These are great. These are a hit with the family, and I really like this. This is my go-to during the weekend. On the weekends, we want some seafood. Pop them in the air fryer, season them up, air fryer, set it and forget it. And everybody know that instant Vortex air fryer is awesome. Hey family, don't forget in the description below there will be the full recipe and the seasonings and the times I used on the air fryer. And also in the comments, please let me know what is your favorite type of fish and how do you like cooking it, and I may try and cook it on the channel. Thank you. That side is complete. Now we're flipping them, hitting this side with some oil, and now we're going to season this side and get these fish ready to pop in the air fryer. Like that, they're done. Complete seasoning. Now we're going to put them in the air fryer for on 325 for 20 minutes. The timer's in. Now we're going to pull them out, give them a flip while they look good. And now we're going to flip them and put them back in on 400 for 10 minutes to get this other side done and nice and crispy. There you have it, the finished product. Crispy black sea bass cooked in the Instant Pot Vortex. I served mine with vegetables, corn on the cob, and I like hot sauce on my crispy fish. Family, I appreciate you taking time out your busy schedule and watching my videos. Thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you to all my viewers. Until next week, cook and barbecue 24/7.